Hey, what's going on? I'm Mark Attridge, and I'm going to show you why I love and chose my Windows phone, the Samsung Focus Revision 1.3, with a little bit more than other phones had. I'm going to demonstrate simply by using it, because that's, I think, honestly, the way I can sell this phone and show you why this phone needs to be in your pocket instead of an iPhone or something else like that. Okay, so this is my Samsung, and there's a couple reasons that I picked it. Mostly because this right here, this Samsung, along with Dell Venue Pro, has expandable memory, which is cool with me. Nice body and everything like that. That's more hardware than anything. One hardware button that comes with the phone is this camera button, where you'd hold that and it's going to automatically take you. With the original Windows phone that came out, all you could do was just hit the button, it was fast and everything like that. With the new Mango, you can tap the center, it'll focus, and it'll do its thing, and you can still check what you did. So if you look here, the user interface here has a Metro style, is what referred to it, and this gives you big blocks that you can put on here, and you only have two screens: the tile screen and where your apps are going to be, or you have where your game apps are going to be, if that's where they're located. So that's one simplicity of this concept for Metro. Love it. One big thing that differentiates the Windows Phone operating systems from others is you can pin everything. I'm talking you can pin genres of music. This right here is a Twitter contact, and I pin them. This is a game, Plants vs. Zombies. This is a movie. This is a genre of songs. This is an artist. This is a gun from this app right there, so I can quickly get into it. This is my friend with his tile, so I can see what information is going on with him. I can check on our history. I can contact him really quick, and it's easy and it's fast. I can do it with anything. You just hold the tile and see if you can pin it, and most likely 99% of the time you're going to be able to do it, which is great. That means you can have everything that you want right here on the home screen instead of having to click button after button after button to get towards it. Here's another feature that I really like. It's called Live Tile. Now this tile right here is alive. It's showing me pictures in contacts from people from Facebook, from Twitter. This is my Me tile. If I received any information, it would show me whatever status is, how many notifications I got. This Live Tile, whenever I get a new song, is going to update the artist. This Xbox Live tile is going to let me know when I receive messages from Xbox Live. Yes, it's from the Xbox Live. I can link these two together. I'm sorry. I have my calendar, which shows me important information. I have this Twitter account that showed me the most recent Twitter that they have. So that's another thing. I can come on here if I have any notifications or anything like that. I look on here and I make the decision of whether I want to be in or out and go back to what I was doing. Here's another feature that only Windows phones has. We have an Xbox phone. That's pretty much what it has, because you have the opportunity to play all these Xbox Live titles. I'm scrolling, and we're still looking at Xbox Live titles that you can get achievement points for. Another thing is it has the spotlight just like you have on regular, so I like that for information reasons, and I can go through here, and it's going to load everything for me, and requests, and then it's going to have my avatar, and he's about to jump in here, and he's gonna, I can play with him, do everything like that, just like I could on Xbox Live. I can change his attire and everything like that, and I can have fun. So this is something that the other operating systems don't have. Great differentiator. Another great feature is the people and the pictures tile. So I have the people right here, and then I have the pictures right here. And in the people and pictures tile, they both have the same area where they have the what's new. And in the what's new, it's going to pull things from Facebook, Twitter, Hotmail, LinkedIn, and it's going to show me all the information. I can actually go inside there. I can check what's going on. I can comment, do my thing, and then go back to what I was doing, instead of having to go into an app or go into Internet Explorer, because it's right there and it's going to pull the information. It's going to show me my recents of people that I've communicated with, all my contacts. As you can see here, I don't have to scroll. I can go to the R's if I need to. And same thing with the pictures. I go inside here, and it's going to pull all the new photos that are being pulled from Twitter, LinkedIn, Hotmail, and whatnot, and it's going to show me camera roll, albums, and just things like that really just make it nice, the way the visuals and everything like that. Here's a feature no other phone has. It has Zune on here. So I can go into Zune, and I can have music, videos, podcasts, radio, marketplace, all right here, and it has a really nice setup right here where you pan over or you scroll down, and it's going to have all the recent information to get you where you want. And they have an area which used to be called Marquee, where it posts all the apps that have anything to do or are linked in with anything that has to do with music. So that's another cool feature, but mostly I just like the fact that I can go on here and I can listen to some of my favorite artists, and it's got a great user interface. Still has the artist in the background, that nice Metro UI from the Zune HD and everything like that. And if I wanted to, you know, I could pin this to the start menu and everything like that. It's a great feature. With this phone, it's hard to have just one favorite feature. There's multiple favorite features. As you can see, I'm going to go into Xbox Live. I'm going to hit the home screen, and I'm going to quickly jump into Internet Explorer, and I'm going to hit the home screen. Here's my first favorite feature, multitasking, because it came in with the new Mango update, and you can see everything that I've done, and I can go right back into it, and it's seamless, and bam, there's no lag or loading. So multitasking is one great feature. This is the Me Tile. I love the Me Tile. The Me Tile, I can post messages to Twitter, Hotmail real quick, Facebook. I can check into where I'm at on places. I can set my chat status for Facebook Instant Messenger, Hotmail Live. I can see all the recent notifications. It'll show you where it's pulling it from, Facebook or Twitter or Hotmail, whatever the case is. And then it's going to show what's new for me. So everything that I've done from these social networks. If you notice here, I know it's kind of hard to notice, but right there it has a search button. You hit that search button and it's going to load you. This is on the new Mango version. And it's got this button right here that listens to music. Now I'm going to play a song, and my phone will recognize, just like Shazam would, the song that's being played. Bing Audio, there you go, Miss Myrtle Alburn. So you've noticed how quick it was too. That's the great part. But what this phone allows me to do is remove apps. Before I had Shazam and multiple apps, and with that, I don't need that. So it's integrated right there. I click the button, I go in, and I do what I need. I love Bing Audio. Last feature is when you go into the messaging, they have this new thing called Threads. So I can go into a contact and everything like that, and if this contact right here is on Facebook, I can hit them and we'll be talking via Facebook. Real simple. And what Mango has done for this phone, it's allowed me to remove tons and tons of apps, because I literally had this thing flooded right now with apps that I didn't need. And with Mango, it installed a bunch of new features that was integrated into the ecosystem. So I no longer need things like Facebook. I don't need the Twitter app, although I do have it on here just because the features are better on here, I feel. But it has a bunch of things here that gets me where I want. It's quick, it's easy to use, learning curves not hard, and I love the phone. So there you have it. There's my reasons for wanting the Windows Phone and for going out there and buying it. It has some other reasons that I purchased it, like it won't be fragmented like Android. It's always going to be updated. That's great. The hardware right now, it doesn't matter. The hardware will always be able to keep up with the software, and as you saw, it's fast, it's smooth. This is the original generation. I got the new Mango update a year later, and my phone's still running just as fast, if not faster. Honestly, I think it might have been a little faster. If you haven't tried it, picked it up, I doubt anybody's going to say no to it. It's got a lot of cool stuff on it, on top of other cool stuff, on top of other cool stuff. Thank you very much.